Andre here at Main Street Auto Shop, downtown Walnut Creek. Today we're going to talk about air conditioning. It's warming up, it's getting hot outside, and your AC might not work. Well, guess what? We have all the machines you need. We have our classic R134A. That'll get you up to about 2016 or so, but then they started using the R1234YF. Just so you know, the refrigerant's a bit more expensive. You got to have special training to use these machines, which we have, and you got to have this machine, which we have here as well. It's going to take about 4 hours to do this service. It's going to take about 2 hours to do that service, so plan accordingly. And by the way, we got our overlanding truck in the background, getting all ready for the summer camping season. We'll see you here at MainStreetAutoshop.com. That's MainStreetAutoshop.com, downtown Walnut Creek.